Okay, so keep it slow. Follow instructions of myself. Just look at the martial body. No jerky motions. Go very smooth.
Tanket, I am not having any insurance, okay?
कुछ नहीं होगा.
अरे नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ उसको.
If you follow the instruction, no problem.
मैंने घर वालों को बताया भी नहीं, संकेत के साथ जा रहा हूँ मैं.
U-turn, go back. Car 1 entering zone 2A.
कौन चलाना भी ना?
A little slow. Okay. Little left. Little left. Straighten. 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 Now straighten. Perfect.
टारगेट तो था संकेत का पूरा.
Slow. Stop.
Any check on activities need to be corrected.
Little left. Little left. 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 Yes. Go straight. Stop. Align the car. Go straight. Straight. With momentum. Don't lose momentum. Little left. Little left. Momentum. Momentum. Throttle. 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 Little right. Slow. Stop. थोड़ा आगे. A little forward. Straight. 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 Go ahead. Straight.
राइट वन.
Just ठीक. थोड़ा right. Not too much. Okay. Go straight. Slowly. Slowly. Slow. Very slow. Left. Go very slowly. Car number 1 exiting 2A, entering 2B. Straight. Go to the top. Then stop. 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 Go very slowly. Very slowly. 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 Okay. Now maintain the momentum. Don't bump down. Maintain the momentum. Throttle. Throttle. Very good. Car number 1 entering 90-degree drop. Then right. And then left. the marshal on your right. Move forward. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Now right. Full turn. Go very slowly on the brake. Full turn. Full turn. Don't change the steering. Go very slowly. Go very slowly. Too fast. Slowly on the brake. On the brake. Let it be. Go, 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 go. Now turn full left.
पूरा left.
Left. Yes, go very slowly now on the brake. Full control should be on the brake. Go, go, go. Go. On the brake. On the brake. Not this brake. Not this brake. No way. So go very slowly. Very, very slowly. Very slowly. Straighten up. Straighten up. Straighten up. Straight, straight. Very good.
एक नंबर पूरी गाड़ी झुला तो दिया एक बार
Straight. And then we'll go on the steps. Car number 1 entering steps. Very important to align the car first, otherwise you will get surprised how things can change. So align the car first, then come back, left, 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 left. Straighten up. Now go back. You've gone too much on the right hand side. Anyways, I need you to come to the left. The car should go parallelly left. Go left, go left, go left, go left, go left, go left, straighten up. Enough, straighten up. Now go back.
Car 7 entering 2B.
Now you're still a little on your side. A little bit. Go back, go back. Go back, go back, go back. Straight, straight. Go back straight. Otherwise you are going to miss the line. Okay, go back, go back. Go back, enough. Now move forward with some momentum, left, and then straighten the car. Okay? Okay, straighten, straighten, straight, straight, straight. Now momentum, throttle, 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 left, a little left. Throttle, 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 don't leave the throttle. Don't leave the throttle, don't leave the throttle, don't. Stop, now don't go in. Remove your foot from in all pedals. Okay, done. Engine is off. Crank the engine. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Don't do anything.
Please release parking brake.
Now take the control. See, you have to have momentum, otherwise the car will die on its own. You have to throttle, 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 throttle. Go back. Alignment is little bit towards your side.
So I should
want
be keeping
throttle, throttle.
throttling,
Till
not,
the time I tell you throttle, throttle, throttle. Keep on pressing throttle. Okay, go little left. Yes, go ahead. No, go ahead, go, go, go. Straighten up. Now give throttle. Go in the momentum. Throttle, straight, straight. The steering should not move. Straight, straight, straight. Throttle, 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 throttle. Stop. Engine is off. Okay. So crank the engine.
एसी का भी कर एसी बंद कर
Now reverse में देखिए. Okay. Wait.
थोड़ा सा
Please release parking brake.
Are you confident or should I do?
कोई नहीं अच्छा गया रे
हाँ?
अच्छा गया रे
जाता रहे तू एक
एसी हाँ एसी का नहीं मैटर है
Back, go back, go back, go back. Go back.
तुम एज पे आकर अटक जा रहा था, एकदम लास्ट में जाकर अटक रहा था।
ठीक है ना, सीखने को मिलेगा।
अरे अच्छी चीज़ है ना रे।
नहीं, ये मेरे को समझ नहीं।
अभी देखो ना वो कैसे कर रहे हैं वो समझ।
I was on throttle for whole the time. Okay. It is intuitive to back off because you don't know what's happening in the front.
हाँ,
So it is, you have to do exactly opposite to what your intuition says. ठीक है? Can you take now? Here you have to just maintain momentum, go with all pedals off, and wherever the torque is less, just give mild throttle. Left, don't brake. Perfect. Again, go very slowly. Slow. Now look at the marshal, what he is telling you. Come forward. Yes. Straighten up. Straighten up. Yes. Now don't lose the momentum. Car will tend to go left. You have to steer right. Okay. Straighten. Straight. Straight. No, straight. 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 You're losing momentum. Straight. Go straight. We turn. Straight. 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 Straighten up. Straighten up. Otherwise the exit will be very bad. You will go off the track. Stop. Stop here. Let him reach his place. Left. Straighten up. Now with the momentum go. Otherwise you will stall the engine here. Go. 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 Go.
विनोद,
चलो ना.
यस। बैठ ना यार, मुझे भी चलना है। अब ये करके बैठते हैं ना। विनोद, तुम पे उसको भरोसा नहीं था।
So we go to this track. Reverse. Yes. 6-speed box.
रोलर है। संकेत है, देख के संकेत ने पूरा ट्रैक किया भाई।
देखा मैंने।
बोल लगे
Car 1 entering zone 2A. Straighten up. Straighten up. Right. Straighten. Slow. 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 Slow.
विनोद धीरे भाई विनोद कह रहा भागेंगे स्पीड नहीं कम होगी रास्ता जल्दी खत्म होना चाहिए चलो चलो
Don't lose momentum, otherwise engine will die down. With the momentum, a little left, straight. Slow, go slow. Little right, come straight. Straight. Momentum, come on, throttle, 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 throttle. Slow, 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 slow. अभी थोड़ा मॉड्यूलेट करके थोड़ा आगे जाओ.
Car on hill climb, go
Yes,
come little
stop.
forward, stop. Now while coming down, easy on the brakes, easy on the brakes.
Very slow on the brakes. Janet. Slowly, very slowly.
चलो आगे देखते रहो आगे वो बता रहे हैं ना मार्शल
ये आपका स्टीयरिंग सही है, स्टीयरिंग सीधा रखो दोनों हाथ स्टीयरिंग पे. गो वेरी स्लो ऑन द ब्रेक्स. वेरी स्लो. यस करेक्ट. प्रोसीड, प्रोसीड, प्रोसीड. स्टीयरिंग सीधा.
बहुत सही विनोद यार उतनी स्पीड
A little right, a little right, right. Go ahead. सीधा करो. Go very slowly. चैलेंज है यहाँ पे बैलेंस करना है. Straight, straight. Car 1 entering zone 2B.
इधर साइड स्कूल में था बाबा मेरे को भरोसा नहीं आ रहा विनोद की तरफ.
नहीं है नहीं
मैं उतर देता हूँ भाई उतर.
अरे कुछ नहीं होता
अरे मेरी छोड़ गाड़ी में
और वहाँ
संकेत
zero
ऊपर
one.
बंद कर
बस
दो.
बस बस
संकेत ऊपर
हाँ.
बंद कर
थांबो साईडला थांबो थांब
सांगतो थोड्या वेळात सांगतो.
चलाने वाला कौन है
दिया. अरे बस है ना दादा
बसा बसा अरे पंडित
संकेत को देखो देख रहे हो विनोद मैं ही हूँ जो तुम्हारे पे भरोसा किया हूँ.
हाँ
तुम्हारे सारे साथी छोड़ गए.
Go very slow now. Very, very slow. Very slow. Slow. Yes. Very, very slow. 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 Throttle. 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 Throttle.
Please fasten passenger seat belt.
पीछे वाला
बीच वाला होगा.
ये निकाल से क्यों
ठीक है, छोड़.
मैं नहीं निकल रहा हूँ.
Left. Left. Right and left. Car number 1 entering 90-degree drop. Follow the trail. You hope you are confident to do that. Now stop here. Stop. There is a marshal requesting marshal for 90-degree drop. honk once. Honk
हाँ.
once. हाँ,
हाँ,
ठीक. सीधा. Look at what Marshall is doing. सीधा सीधा सीधा
स्ट्रेट विनोद स्ट्रेट
सीधा सीधा जाने दो जाने दो और स्टीयर राइट
राइट
फुल
तो-
राइट हो जाईल फक्त ब्रेकला पंप नका करू ग्रॅज्युअल ठेवा बी व्हेरी ग्रॅज्युअल ऑन द ब्रेक्स येस गो हेड गो मी जोपर्यंत सांगत नाही तोपर्यंत स्टिअरिंग सरळ नाही करायचं होल्ड इट स्लोली स्लोली येस करेक्ट गो गो हेड गो स्लो नाव ब्रेक ऑन द ब्रेक इथे हा इफेक्ट जास्त ॲग्रिवेट होणार स्टिल होल्ड द स्टिअरिंग गो स्ट्रेट गो 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 नो होल्ड go straight now straight go forward go forward straight go forward stop full left now very slowly slope at the middle of the slope because of the weight of the car it is going to push you really hard that's where you have to control with the brakes you have to be very cautious not to pump you have to be very hard with the brake also you have to press very hard the control is only with brakes now okay go ahead you see here there's a 90-degree drop right after this go ahead I'll tell you when to straighten up hold the steering go ahead slow on the brake go ahead go very slowly on brake gradual go straighten up the steering left अच्छा here sorry go straight and then right
विनोद उससे ही आगे निकलना चाह रहा है
we'll switch off the AC
विनोद
त्यामुळे संकेत
जैसा ये बता रहे वैसा करके ना एक बार में कंप्लीट कर देने का
हाँ पहले सुन लो जो बोल रहे हैं
तुम्हारा नाम टाटा मोटर्स सुनहरे अक्षर से लिखवाएंगे हम
so take left
ए भाई आराम से
now go back align the car first straight no you are slightly on your side I want you to the car to come parallelly to my side ठीक है straighten up straight now go with the momentum straight करो steering पहले दोनों हाथ पकड़ के अभी momentum के साथ जाओ don't leave the throttle till I tell you to leave the throttle okay go throttle stop
बहुत सही
एक नंबर
जाने दो थोड़ा आगे yes very good अभी same thing what you did there on the brake
देख रहा होगा
go very
बहुत कैसी
slowly
हो गया ये। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे ही चलने के एक स्टेप
slowly
संतोष जी आप जब पीछे बैठे हो ना खेल नहीं हो सकता इसमें
हाँ संकेत के टाइम पे नहीं था
slowly and then momentum throttle very good.
Even entering 2A.
slow what he's telling. Right. Yes. Straighten up. Go ahead. Don't lose the momentum. Now the car will tend to slide towards left. You have to control through steering by going right. Okay, it will make you push on the left. Go.
आराम से।
Correct. Correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Go slowly. Slowly.
Slow, no.
Slowly. Here you
No,
have to be
side,
very
no.
slow.
कंप्लीट हो गई इनकी
विनोद पुराना
Yeah.
ड्राइवर है भाई।
Straighten up now. Yes, correct. Go slowly. Go. Now keep momentum. Keep momentum. Otherwise, you will stall there. Very good.
बहुत सही विनोद। संतोष जी की तरफ से 150 रुपए का नगद इनाम।
नगद ही ना 100 रुपए का
आपको चला रहा है?
हाँ